Hi guys, it's Ed from Warthog Defense. In a strategic move, the Ukrainian defense forces have executed a precision strike on the contingent of Russian servicemen in the contested region of Donetsk Oblast, believed to be Ilovaisk training grounds. The weapon of choice, Himars, showcasing the precision and potency of Ukraine's military tactics. However, these weren't average troops, but skilled UAV operators gathered for training. Initial reports indicate a significant toll, with 24 casualties and 4 wounded attributed to the strike.
Ukraine has changed its posture and has decided to focus on more targeted attacks. We are witnessing the multiplication of delaying strategies with deep strikes to obtain an operational effect. Furniture factory fire in Russian Chelyabinsk that started yesterday lasted for more than 24 hours. It's now been extinguished according to the Ministry of Emergency Situations. Russian telegram channels report that an airboat production workshop is on fire in Krasnoyarsk region. The area of the fire is over 1,700 square meters. The cost of airboats made here reaches 4.4 million rubles, about $50,000.
Тянется от него след на километры. Вот телефон не передает, пока как будто серый, а дым просто чернющий.
Ну, что-то, ага, взрывается.
Jazz military vehicle factory is on fire in Nizhny Novgorod. $100,000 people in Russian Vladivostok are without electricity after an electrical substation blew up.
Напротив нас подстанция просто взорвалась и в данный момент горит. Ближайшие дома все остались без света.
И вон тоже, видишь, там убегает. Все, подстанция горела.
People in Russian Yakutsk held a spontaneous rally after a local resident was killed by a native of Tajikistan. According to Baza, about 500 men gathered on the central square of the city. People were outraged by the death of a 26-year-old local resident at the hands of an 18-year-old Tajik with Russian citizenship. The murder took place on January 21st in one of the city clubs. The suspect was detained.
А из-за чего начали? Блядь! О, этот полковник ничего не смог сделать.
О, велосипедиста нашего тоже вот он возит. О, вон в автобус завозят. Воу. Ой. Карман реверди. Ой, он охвалит, не охвалит.
Сейчас соседние окна.
Ukrainian defense forces carried out a successful strike on a group of Russian servicemen in the occupied part of Donetsk Oblast, presumably Ilovaisk training grounds, using Himars. However, as Russian military blogger Romanov points out, these were not just regular troops but UAV operators who assembled for training. As we know, UAV operators are being heavily targeted by the Ukrainian defense forces. The earlier source mentions 24 dead and 4 wounded as a result of the strike. Romanov accuses the head of the training courses of negligence for sending invites through a telegram bot. This could be easily intercepted by the Ukrainian defense forces. This is the footage of the actual strike. Himars MLR's strike of the Ukrainian armed forces on a concentration of UAV operators. The strike, from the fighters' words, was possible for the following reason. The head of the Doomsday Project courses, Pseudo-Platov, with the call sign Sucker, sent out to strangers the coordinates of where to come for training through a telegram bot. The Himars have arrived. There are dead. Now the management of the Pseudo-Platov project is trying to hush up the situation and make the dead guilty. And this situation is not unique. No one else was hit at the training ground, although there were more than 150 people there. Traditional methods of heating the tank to ease engine starting in winter. Campfire under the T-72B tank. Of course, post-war instructions forbade making fires under the tank. The tank service station of the 17th Tank Brigade of the Ukrainian Defense Forces is fully equipped to bring back combat equipment to forward positions in the shortest amount of time. Damaged equipment is repaired here, while the old vehicles are scrapped. This report goes over the operations of this service station.
Будь ласка, як тебе звати?
Мене звати Віталій, командир відділення по ремонту і регламенту робот.
Слухай, ну ми поки їхали сюди, нам казали, що ви як кардіохірурги виймаєте мотори фактично, відновлюєте повністю. То ви як такі лікарі для техніки?
Первый раз вообще, когда нас собрали как экипаж, мы дуже долго пока сработались. Сейчас у нас доходит до 5 дней, 5-6 максимум дней, мы уже танк выпускаем. Если чисто по двигателю. Если больше работ, конечно, трошки дольше получается. Нам на ремонт зашла Т-72 по замене двигуна, бортовой коробки передач и каток нужно заменить.
Очевидно, що техніка радянська, не нова, випущена давно. Що найчастіше в неї ламається, якщо не бойове там якесь ураження?
Опять же, двигатель. Вот это такие двигателя приходят с ремонту. Если новый двигатель, он хорошо. А бывает второй категории приходят, то трошки, как говорится, кто его перебрал, неизвестно, да, и когда его перебирали, неизвестно, потому что... А так большинство, всегда чаще всего это двигатель, бортовую коробку. Катки редко это вообще, чтобы он вышел из строя.
Якщо танк приїжджає вам з бойовухою, ну я маю на увазі, якщо в нього там, наприклад, влучило РПГ якесь або щось, ну ураження якесь є, найчастіше що це?
Это радиаторы. Чаще всего пробиты радиаторы, маслобаки.
Thank you guys for watching. We have shown another exciting video. Stay with us. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.